Sushi Kitchen, Japanese restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's Japanese restaurant. There are various delicious Japanese cuisines. Let's check it out. Welcome. Come this way, please. Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a famous Japanese snack and is also known as octopus balls. This ball-shaped snack is crispy outside and has minced octopus inside. Prepare octopus feet. Takoyaki. Add the batter. Onion, corn, shrimp meat, red cabbage, onion, corn, and then add more batter to cover these ingredients. The color of takoyaki has changed. Pick them up and flip them over. Wow, they smell so great! Let's pick them out of the pan with a fork. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Tomato sauce. Dried bonito flakes. Yo-ho! Takoyaki is ready to be served. Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Come this way, please. Tempura. In Japan, all food fried in the batter is called tempura. Fresh ingredients are perfect for making tempura. Prepare ingredients. First, let's cut the shrimp. Fried shrimp tempura is the most delicious fish. Let's select 2 more ingredients for the guest. Shiitake, lotus root, make the batter. Use ice-cold water to make tempura even more crispy. Stir well and cover with a thin layer of batter. Let's start frying. The crispy tempura looks so invited. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Awesome! The delicious tempura is ready. Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Let's cook for another guest. Enjoy your meal. Ramen is a common type of noodle in Japan. It has many different flavors and is very popular in Japan. Boil noodles. Ramen noodles are thin, chewy, and smooth. Make the miso soup base. Cut the tofu into small pieces. Cut the kelp into small pieces. Add the sesame oil. Add mirin. miso. Miso is the most important ingredient in miso soup. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Naruto Maki. Soft boiled egg. Awesome! This bowl of miso ramen is so delicious. Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.